Ladies and gentlemen, we are working now on the recap. The whole day, we have our photo session, the ABCOC with the Kodak. So the Kodak is an official photographer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the yearbook, this is our yearbook. Actually, it's not a yearbook, it's a batch book. That's why we decided to release a yearbook. The yearbook is from first year to fourth year. We say batch book, fourth year alone. Now, so as to the payment for this, actually, the charge is the senior's fee. Senior's fee is total of 500. It will be divided for the graduation fee, the basis of the decorations, on programs for graduation coming March 29. And the seniors, the half of it will go to the yearbook. Now, so we say that the way that you be a part of the yearbook, but because of our unavoidable consequences, your section medyo wala po dyan siya na important of information. So that's why, worry na kayo ni yung is because wala po sa ika-report with regard to section F. Now, let's go to the, don't worry about the pictorial payment and yearbook charge deduction 30,000, nag-ibayaran. And with regard to the concept, aside from the graduate fee, you have this, for example, this one, the proposed graduate fee. And another is the kuan, yung mga dogs and mga kuan. Now, ang concept nila, ang frequency is something like walkie-walkie. And then the concept of another copy is yung baby. Those are obsolete concepts now. So, nag-research ang staff together with the admin what would be the best thing to do. Now, taga-suggest me nga, abot sa Ateneo de Manila University, and then the concept is the real you concept. So now, what's the real you concept? Shall we say, you already know, you're a rapper, a client, a favorite husband, a favorite wife, a referee, anything that will reflect, anything, or any pictures that will serve as a replica of yourself, then that is the real you. I would like to cite an example. The whole thing ko at tinagawa facility sa Victoria, Section A. Section A, lagi na kung sila, nag-vital down sila because nagulat sila, I don't want to mention it, I work with an husband, and there's a housewife, then nag-dancer, ala Hollywood stars, and anything, any outfit, you can use it, but of course we will follow the standard of the institution. So guys, there is guidelines na nakapuro sa venue, and the payment is 165. Last year is 200. Now, what will be the contract sa CODA? 165 includes 8 hard copies of wallet size, graduate fee as well as the personalized fee. Charge, don't worry about the charges. Say the charges then. 4 quotas for each. Now, four copies, hard copies, wallet size will be given back to you. And including na yung payment, minor retouch, minor retoken yung face, mga dark, mga tiko. But, hindi pwede na tanan ako na ilong kay. Sa bala, dapat 2006 kay, but ako ilong tuwang ginamit kailangan. Sorry guys, that's your face. Only thing you can do is mga dark spots ninyo, mga So, and then, free na sa class, Victoria. Free na po na, guys. I want your para madaling sa. Class Victoria, ito na po mo, I know. Class Victoria, as well as mga pakasyalan, school of shells. Now, di ba, yung idea is, yung section will be the last, together with the E and F. So, ganyan na sa ABCOC. So, guys, one thing is that Kodak is sponsor to that best picture. Whoever is naman as the Kodak staff and best picture will receive a frame. A frame na namin for like cake and a cash. So, for us to motivate you to wear or to portray yourself, the hardest thing to do. So, 5 frames and that will be awarded to the pinning ceremony. So, actually, first lang na sa Kodak, that will give you a frame and a cash. at least to motivate. And my classmates, Section 8, hindi lang bayad, they're prepared for it. And so as to the other section, that's why we reinforce ko sa inyo kay wala po ka lumikit feedback on this one. And Jack is working together with me. And another thing, so mag-volunteer tabang, of course, are very much welcome. Now, you are, guys, so the toga will be provided dito na sa studio, na toga, na next time. What do you do? Everything, ang feeling mo is to bring yourself there, and then have some makeup. Now, with regard to makeup, wala nila po makeup artist because it's costing a lot. Mahal ka ayaw na, wala may lang po sa pagbabayaran sa senior pay. So just imply na additional charge. So, I know that you have the talent to makeup. So nila na, in your convenience lang po. And boys, you are required to use light foundation and face powder. Hindi mo picturean to wala mo anak. It's because of the light and not even mo it's oily. So, I'll leave it to the expert na sa photographer na nag-eskwela o I have trained for how many years just for that. Now let's go to now it is the standard sa yearbook na na-abuse presentation. So as this is, I just want to emphasize to you that this will never get compulsory. But to have, okay, I want to emphasize, ang charge sa account sa inyo is good for softbound. Asa mo ba softbound? So the 16 this week, softbound. That's example of softbound. Ang charge sa school. Now, how did last year's batch made this kind of product? It's because of their solicitation. Yeah, we are very limited of money. Actually, money is the profit in there. That's why we have this solicitation. Now, what are the details about this stuff? Now, this solicitation, you can get a copy from the dad. And now guys, this one, 2,500 will be a full page advertisement. This one, all page is 2,500. But, kung nakaabot mo sa quota ng 1,500, 20% of the earnings will be given back to you. So as to say, you reach 2,500, you are entitled to have a one page advertisement together with the logo of the company or your family or anything na nag-advertise on the side. And then, 500 will be given back to you. I think 20% of total of 500 is 500. So, if you give 1,000, you have 2 pages and 1,300. Guys, I should say, this is the cheapest. You try to search every yearbook. It will cost them 3,000, 4,000 for the whole page. Same way as last 2,000, ang 2,500. Half page will be 1,500, and the 20% will be given back to you. 1,500 down, no more commission. So, wala na commission, wala sa inyo. So, ang total is 1,500. Okay? So, this will be the casting your name. Guys, again, you are not obliged, but we do encourage. Ikating meaning, give to this, katanong sa advertise, and your copy. Now, whoever or for those persons who claim the copy, this will be a clearance item. Kung nakuha mo, ulit sa inyo. We will check, natin control number.
Wala ba yan ang pagkuha?
Recorded in the CO. Mawala din noon ni Ani kami, mawala kami mo bayad. So, this will be a clearance item, graduation clearance item, in accordance with the theme of nursing. So, guys, you can obtain a lot of copies. This is for free.